What a ball! Real chance! Yes! So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. Jim, how are you reading the formation?
Well, one of the attacking advantages in this setup, Peter, is the impact that can be made between fullbacks and the attacking wide players. These combinations, when worked well, can be a real handful for any opposition, and we're likely to witness that again. You often see the wide man drift inside to allow the fullback to make the run out wide, and it can just throw the opposition off kilter.
There's the whistle, and here we go. Right through the middle. In with a header! Oh, surely that deserved better.
It was such a clever idea to lift it into his path.
Gets it back. He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. Gets into a dangerous position. Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim?
Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up.
Forward it goes. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Hoists it high. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Still goalless. He's got options out wide. Going through. Header! It's in!
back at that. That's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
So we have our breakthrough.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Hoists it forward. Battles to win it back.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Butter, they have done it again.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Well weighted. What a ball! Real chance! Yes! And they're at it again in double quick time.
The understanding between those two plays a big part in that, and releasing the run on side proved the key ingredient.
Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
And it's played forward. Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. He's found his man. Shooting chance! Oh, top draw save from the keeper. Took a deflection! No messing about, just bludgeoned away. That's the throw. Back to the keeper and go again. What an adventurous run from a defender. Gets up to head it! And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. No foul, says the referee. With a delicate ball. And he's there to cut it out. Gets good distance on it. Gets wrestled off the ball. Tries to get it forward quickly. Tries to get it forward quickly. And the referee brings the first half to a close. As easy as 1, 2, 3. It really has been that straightforward halfway through the match, but very little to suggest that much will change in the second half.
Peter, do I really need to say anything, or can I simply refer you to the scoreline?
It has been an astonishing game, peppered with goals. You cannot help feeling that the second half will supply more. And we are already promptly back underway. And that's a foul, free kick's been given. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Done very well to intervene. And it's got through. Good clearance and very necessary. And more than happy to take the muscular approach. He's got through. Gets away for big chance! He scores! Players ecstatic, fans delirious. This is utopian.
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
That defence must be sick of the sight of him. He's been persistent and ruthless all game. He just hasn't stopped working.
Cruzeiro are making a change now. It's become a case of men against boys.
What a good way to assert your authority for this second period. They were prepared to commit numbers forward into attacking positions.
That's pretty clear, it is a foul. Well, the referee has made it pretty clear now that this is his last chance.
Well, I think the referee would have told him to rate it in or suffer the consequences.
And they're not going to make any further progress now.
This defence just doesn't trust itself to play a higher line.
Frightened of people getting in behind.
Yeah, absolutely.
Shapes to shoot! That'll be a throw-in. Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. A warm ovation on his way off, and that is the least he deserves.
Look, you can only give your all, and he's delivered in that regard, and I think the manager has probably just spotted now a little tiredness creeping in, and, you know, if that's the case, then, you know, he's doing the right thing.
He's come loose. Ball is over the line. So there's going to be another change here. Can't get the better of his opposite number. That's surely a foul. Free kick. That's been levered clear, and that's the end of that. It all started well enough. And he's going long. And let's put a stop to that. Closing in on the last quarter of an hour. He's got away. Gets it back. And now they can launch a counter. And it's played forward. Cuts it out. And out to safety. He's had a shot! Really well taken goal. This is as ruthless as it gets.
Well, I wasn't expecting them to go this big, Peter, but they have been superb.
Final checks on the touchline, a change about to occur.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here. Plays it out to the flank. Pass needed to be better than that, and